Today I'm going to talk about digital video servers. My name is Xinjie Zhuang. Okay, what is a digital video server? A digital video server, which can also be called digital video encoder, is a professional network transmission device for compressing and processing audio and video data. It consists of audio and video compression, codec chip, input and output channels, network interface, audio and video interface, RS485 serial interface control, protocol interface control, system software management, and so on. It mainly provides video compression or decompression function, complex image data collections or recovery, and so on. The most popular image data compression based on MPEG-4 or H.264 transmits data and processes audio data over the internet. This is what the digital video server looks like. And this is how the monitor connected to the network, to the internet. They get the images or videos from the monitors, cameras, IP cameras or something, and then send it to the digital video server, and using the routers to send it to the internet. And from another side, the personal computer can get it from it. And the history of the digital video servers in recent years, it has been developed from single function video transmission to Wi-Fi network, local SD card storage, USB storage, or IDE card disk storage. The transmission channel has gradually developed from single channel to integrated system of single channel D1, two-way HD1, four-channel CIF, and multi-channel compatible multi-channel operation and management. The constitution of digital video server is the digital video server is a special device for audio and video data encoding and network transmission. It is composed of audio and video encoder, network interface, audio and video interface, RS422, RS485 serial interface, RS232 serial interface, and so on. The specialist of the digital video server, it is a small size. It is small size. Generally, it has 1 to 4 analog video inputs, which don't move more than a dozen video inputs like hard disk recorders and do not carry hard disk randomly. Placing the storage device in the monitor center is more conducive to the storage and protection of image data, which saves a lot of space. Its simplicity. Video data can be transferred to the monitoring center through a fast-growing, cost-effective computer communication network. Only one expensive Type 5 network cable is needed. It's a if the video server has Wi-Fi module inside and use the wireless local area network mode, even the Type 5 network cables are saved. It is using central control, an industrial standard server, and a set of control and management application software can run the entire monitor system. User only need to open a client program on the computer connecting to the internet and enter the IP address of the corresponding video server in it to conduct comprehensive remote monitoring. Any other authorized client can access any camera directly to the monitored image through a central server. Scalability. More cameras can be easily added, and central server will be able to easily upgrade to faster processor, larger disk drives, and greater bandwidth in the future. The advantage of the DVS is really convenience and it is intelligence, and audiations is more stable and reliable. It is using the wireless transmission. Wireless transmission. Okay. The video signal of the camera is converted into digital signal by using network video server. In the case of inconvenient traffic and difficult wiring, the digital video signal can be sent to the monitoring center through the establishment of wireless LAN, and then released to the internet by the monitoring center for the remote management department to watch. The advantage of WLAN are convenient networking, short cycle, less investment, and flexible structure. And this is the photo which shows the three ways that we can connecting the camera to the personal computer. And the first way is to connect the digital video server and the PC personal computer directly using the web server. And the second one is called the remote control via internet. It connects the camera or the monitor or something, the media media equipment to get the images or something and send it to the web servers, and there is a switch before the personal computer, and they connected to each other. The third one is they applied a DVR or multiplexer called with video server in the PC serialization serialize. This is the ways to connect the digital video server with a DVR first, and then access the network through the router. Okay. The foreground of the digital video server. In the future market, IP camera will grow rapidly, and its growth will lead to the decline of analog camera market. So the DVS market will gradually decline with the decline of analog camera. From the current technology point of my point of view, the cost of IP camera is lower than that of analog camera, and DVS and IP camera presents more powerful visuality due to the low entry threshold of DVS. Manufacturers are not willing to promote standardization in order to protect their own interests, and the industrial scale has been subject to the standardization problem. The development of IP camera shows a trend of standardization from the beginning, and DVS is gradually standardized under the drive of IP camera. In the future, the DVS market may increase due to the expansion of security market, but in the future, the market share of DVS will affected by the decline of an analog camera market. Fortunately, although the analog camera market will gradually decline, the number of installed analog camera is still amazing, involving a wide range of fields and industry. Therefore, as a traditional and for modernizations, intermediate equipment DVS will maintain a considerable growth period. So even though it was like an old technology, but still, it have a lot of advantages that we are willing to use it in the future. To some extent, in my view, the video server can be regarded as a network camera without lens, after the input analog video signal is digited by the video server, it is transmitted to the network in the mode of digital signal, so as to realize the purpose of remote monitoring.